My name is Talia Sugden. I grew up in Tucson, but now I live in Phoenix. I'm majoring in molecular and cellular biology as well as microbiology with a minor in adolescence, community, and education. So I chose Arizona because of all of the research opportunities that I knew would be available to me, and even though that now I don't want to do research, it provided a lot of really meaningful connections, experience, and opportunities for me in my future. I chose my major because I really liked how multifaceted it was. It's not just one direct pipeline into one specific career path. You can really change it and mold it to how you want it to be, which is exactly what I did. I would say my favorite thing about the U of A is how immersed you get into the community as soon as you step foot onto campus. There's a saying that once a wildcat, always a wildcat, and while I think it is really cheesy, it's very true. You always have a connection to Tucson, Arizona, to the U of A, and to everyone that you meet across campus. My most memorable class was educational psychology. I took it because of my minor, and I think it's the most applicable to everyday interactions, and even though I don't want to go into that field in particular, it helps me interact with people in the field that I do want to go into. So my most impactful experience that I've had at the U of A in my 4 years of college so far has been meeting people who come from similar backgrounds as me, especially mentors who come from similar backgrounds as me. They've told me that my upbringing, my background, isn't a hindrance to my success, and they've really been able to pick me up during hard times and to let me know that each door that closes is another door that opens, whatever saying, however that goes. So after graduation, I am looking at a couple of different options, but ultimately I want to go to law school to go into the field of patent law, specifically as it pertains to biological research patents. So I wanted to be a science ambassador to sort of be a representation for people who come from backgrounds like mine. So I think growing up, not seeing a lot of students or even people in higher education who looked like me, who thought like me, and who came from my background was really discouraging when I was applying to college or when I was trying to seek those greater opportunities. So if someone younger than me who wants to pursue the same thing as me can see that I'm doing well, I've worked hard, I've accomplished certain things, and that motivates them to do better, then that would have completed my job as a science ambassador.